Hey there folks, Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to clean out the sunroof drains on this 2009 Nissan Altima. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we get this done. Okay folks, on most cars when you have a sunroof, you typically have 4 drains, okay? You'll have one on the left side going down the A-pillar, one on the right side going down the A-pillar, and you'll have 2 on the back, one on the left side, typically going down the C-pillar here, exiting somewhere in the trunk area. Same thing on the other side. So typically the front 2 are relatively easy. You can take some compressed air and we can find the where the drain is here, and we can blow a little air through it, and it should blow any debris that is in the line. Typically down near this area here is probably about where the water is going to come out, and we'll show you how we test that when we get done here. So first thing I'm going to do is just take some air and blow down these front 2 drains. All right guys, first of all, take the air hose. I can see the drain right here. I'm gonna give it a little squirt. Blow out any other air and debris that's in the crack here. Now let's move over to the other side. Now we're on the right side of the car. Let's find that little drain and blow through it as well. Okay folks, we have a 2-liter bottle full of water here, and we're going to go ahead and fill up the front of this tray and check these drains on the front. And basically all you got to do, try not to get water inside the car, but we will just fill up this tray here and check for, I may not be able to fill up the whole front of the tray, so actually we're just going to pour enough to check this side, and then we're going to go over and check the other side as well. That should be enough there. Bring the camera over on this side. All right, as you can see folks, the water is draining out pretty good on this side, left front corner of the car. Now we're going to go over on the right front, and we can see that there's no water standing here in the top. So this left sunroof drain is okay. Let me move on over to this side. I'm going to go ahead and test this side as well with some water. That should probably be enough there, starting to run back. Okay, bring the camera right on around. And as you can see, it's draining very good on this front drain as well, okay? You can see the water coming down really good right there. So probably the problem with this car, because the customer says she's definitely getting water inside the car, is probably from the rear sunroof drains. Now they're a little trickier to get to, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I bet we're going to find one of them clogged up. Okay folks, we're inside the trunk here. This piece of carpet here needs to be removed because I think we're going to find the drain somewhere in this wheel well. So what I'm going to have to do is take a little upholstery tool here and pop these little clips out of place. And we'll lay all these right here for now. And we'll go ahead and get all these out of the way. We'll pull this panel down, and then we'll show you where this sunroof drain comes out at. Okay folks, with that panel out of the way, this little hose right here, this is the sunroof drain, okay? And look at there, I pulled it off of there, and you seen all that water that was clogged up there? So this little boot here is probably clogged up. Let me get the air hose, and we'll blow through both sides. Guys, I can look here and pull some of this crud out of here. That looks like a maple seed right there off a maple tree that's clogged up right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blow through this hose this way, okay? Which I don't believe that's actually clogged up. The clog is actually right here. So we're gonna blow air right through here, okay? So here we go. Okay, with that blown out, guys, we're going to go ahead and just put this tube back on, and then we'll put this panel back in place on this side, and we'll remove the one on the right side and do the same thing. Okay folks, with the panel back in place, we're gonna go ahead and install these clips again, and we'll move on to the other side. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we're on the right side of the car. I'm gonna reach in here, grab the hose, and see this side here was not clogged up, or we'd have had some water that come out of there. But I'm gonna go and blow through it anyway. And we're gonna go ahead and blow through the other black grommet here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put all this back together, and we'll test these back ones for, we'll pour water down the sunroof and see if they drain as well. Okay folks, we're gonna go ahead and test this left side here. So we're gonna pour some water in this track, and about a quart of water going in here, just like so. I think I already hear it hitting the ground. Go ahead and bring the camera around. So as you can see, the water is coming out where it's supposed to, and it shouldn't be collecting and causing a water leak inside the vehicle. Okay folks, hey, that concludes the video today. Cleaning out the sunroof drains on the 2009 Nissan Altima turned out to be not such a big deal. It's not really that hard to do, and I hope if you guys have the same problem that this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Take care.